Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Gehman, and I'm back with some more subtraction practice. And what we're going to work on today is we are working on modeling how to take away. So what we've got here is, you can see each of these cube trains starts with 9. So you can see here, all of our subtraction sentences also start with the number 9, because remember, when you do subtraction, the most important part is to start with how many it is all together. So we see all of our cube trains start with that number 9. Let's go up to the top and take a look at our first problem. Jada has 9 grapes. What are all the ways she can share the grapes with her sister? Okay, so what we're going to pretend is that our cubes are grapes, and she's going to share them with her sister. How many is she sharing the first time? She has 9, but look, she didn't take any away. So she's not sharing to begin with. So we would say 9 take away 0 equals 9. If she doesn't share, she's keeping all 9 for herself. This time, we're still starting with 9, but one of them is white. So that's the one we're going to be taking away. 9 take away 1, so she's going to share 1 grape equals 8. She will keep 8 for herself. Okay, so let's go down and do a few of our own here. We're starting with 9 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're going to color blue. Okay, so let's get our highlighter over here. We're going to color blue all the cubes she's going to keep. Okay, so she's going to keep this one, these along here, but these 2 that are white, she's not sharing, or she's going to share. She's going to take those away, sorry. So here we go. How many did she take away? She crossed out 2 of them. So let's put that number 2 here. She's going to take 2 away. So what we have to do is remember, these are going. She's going to share those. So let's count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she has 7 left. We would read our subtraction sentence like this. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Okay, when we see that minus sign, we can think takeaway. Okay, so let's go to our next problem. Again, she's starting with the same exact number. She still has 9 grapes. This time, she's going to share 3 of them. So she crossed out 3 here. Okay, we can make these blue. A little smaller there. Okay, so she's going to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So if I color those in there, okay, so we're starting with those 9. She takes away those 3. Okay, so let's take our number here. She takes away 3 of them. Let's count how many she has left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She has 6 grapes left. Okay, again, we're starting with 9 here. Now, last time she took away 3. So how many are we going to take away this time? 2, 3, 4. Let's start by putting that number in there. Okay, so what we've got to do is we've got to go back over to our cube train, to our grapes, and we're going to cross out 4 of them. So let's start here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's color blue the ones that she is keeping. Make that a little bit bigger this time. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means she has 5 grapes left over. Do you see a pattern here? Our takeaway number gets bigger, so what we have left gets smaller. Okay, so look, we took away 2, we took away 3, we took away 4, and now we're going to take away 5 of them. Okay, so let's go over and cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we will color blue all of the grapes that she's going to keep. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so let's see how many she has left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she only has 4 grapes for herself. Okay, if we keep going, we took away 2, we took away 3, 4, 5. So this time we're going to take away 6. Take away 6 of those grapes. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can color blue the ones that she's keeping. Okay, so how many did she keep? She kept 3 for herself. So we had 9 to start with. She took these away, and we have 3 left over. Okay, so this time we're going to take away how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so we're going to take 7. Now we're running pretty low on grapes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so Jada's getting very generous with her grapes. Let's color the ones that she's keeping. She's got these left over. Right, she only has 2 grapes left. She's sharing a lot of grapes. Okay, we started with 9. I took these away, and look, I only have 2 left over. So I would read that 9 minus 7 equals 2. Okay, so how many is she going to take away this time? Think about what number I'm going to put here. Follow the pattern. Right, I'm going to put an 8 here. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to cross out 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many does Jada keep? Only 1 grape is left. Okay, now can you think about what's going to happen here? How many is Jada going to have? Right, let's see what happens. Follow the pattern. So if I put a 9 here, now think about that subtraction sentence. 9 minus, or take away, 9. If you have 9 of something and you take all 9 away, what's going over here? I bet you know. It's a 0. Let's see how that happens. Okay, so we're going to cross out 9 of them. So I can go right through and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has nothing left to color blue, so we put a 0 here. Okay, now you're going to have a practice page to do on your own, but you can also practice this with something that you have at home. You can use grapes, of course, but you can also use some blocks, okay? Use some blocks, use some pennies, use some macaronis to practice some subtraction problems. Challenge someone in your house to do some subtraction with you. Bye, guys.